Hello everyone and welcome to Lingua 22. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you 22 useful expressions which you can use when you're meeting someone again after some time. I hope you're ready. Let's get started. Let's have a look. First expression on our list. I don't believe it. You see a person after such a long time and you're surprised and you say, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Second expression. Long time no see. Long time no see. Third one. It's so good to see you. It's so good to see you. It's so good to see you. Number 4. It's been so long. It's been so long. It's been so long. Expression number 5. How long has it been? How long has it been? How long has it been? Excellent. Number 6. How time flies. How time flies. How time flies. Number 7. You look great. You look great. You look great. Really. Wow, have you lost weight? Wow, have you lost weight? Wow, have you lost weight? Excellent. Number 9. I heard you got married. I heard you got married. I heard you got married. Number 10. You haven't changed a bit. You haven't changed a bit. You haven't changed a bit. Number 11. You always look good. You always look good. You always look good. Number 12. So, what have you been doing? So, what have you been doing? So, what have you been doing? Number 13. So, what have you been up to? So, what have you been up to? So, what have you been up to? 14. How's everything? How's everything? How's everything? Next expression. So, what are you doing now? So, what are you doing now? So, what are you doing now? Number 16. Are you still working at? Are you still working at? Are you still working at? Number 17. Are you still at the same number? Are you still at the same number? Are you still at the same number? 18. Are you still living in? Are you still living in? Are you still living in? 19. How's Richard? How's Richard? How's Richard? How are the kids? How are the kids? How are the kids? 21. A long one. We need to keep in touch more often. We need to keep in touch more often. We need to keep in touch more often. And the last expression for today. Don't be a stranger. Don't be a stranger. Don't be a stranger.